Hello guys, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today in this video we're going to discuss about one of the another very important interview question, that how do you manage access keys for IAM users? Okay, so first of all you should know what is access keys. Access keys. So we also call this access key and secret keys, right? So the access keys is used to grant a permission for anybody to access using CLI or through code or or from various different APIs. Okay, so for there are various different ways that you can grant the AWS access to the specific IAM users, right? So let's see what is how do you manage the access key for IAM users? Okay, let's see the answer now. So access key is consist of access key ID and secret key ID, right? So then you can just manage the access key ID for IAM users by creating and rotating and deleting them through the AWS Management Console or AWS CLI or SDK. So it is recommended to regularly rotate the access keys for enhancing security. Okay, so now let's see how to create access key and secret keys for your AWS account and for the IAM users. So you can also create a access key secret keys for root users also. Okay, for example, if you can go back to the IAM console. Okay, so now I'm in the root user, right? So now I'm logged in as a root account. Okay, so now if you want to create the access keys, so we have to click on quick links and my security credentials. You can click on my security credentials. You can click on here, or otherwise you can go back to your name of your account and you can click on security credentials. Okay, so in the both the ways you should be able to access the access keys. So if you can see here, so this is for your so this is for your root account, right? So for the root account, I've created the access key for the AWS CLI purpose. So I'm also using Terraform for some purpose. So if the Terraform wants to access your AWS account, then the commit can has to be happen through access key and secret key like this. All right. So now let's go back to users. But okay, so now we have two different ways that we can so that we can access create this access keys, right? So the access key can be created for the root user account or the IAM user accounts, right? So now, so it is not recommended to for anybody to create the access key and secret key for the root user account, because so if you are creating the access key secret key for root user account, if that root user the access key secret key is being leaked or it's been hacked by somebody else, so you'll be granting a complete AWS account to that particular person. Okay, so you can just do anything with your account. You can delete all the resources, so within a fraction of minutes. Now, okay, so in order to avoid that, we can go to users, and I've created two users, only user one and user two. Okay, these two are the IAM users. Okay, click on the users. Okay, so now you can see the security credentials over here. All right. So now create access key here. Okay. So now we can create access key. Now here you can just define like, so what level of permission you're granting for this particular access key. Now, for example, command line interface, you can plan to use the access key to enable the AWS CLI access to your account, or the local code or application running on AWS to compute services, or third-party services, application running on outside of AWS, and few others, right? So now I'm clicking on if you wanted to grant the command line interface, the CLI, if you want to access my application using CLI, okay, which is AWS CLI, then you have to click on this one. So you can just choose anything, so based on your requirements. Now it will click on next, and the description, the tag value is for the um, keys for IAM. Okay, so now you can create access key. Now, as you can see here, so access key is created, access key and secret key. Okay, so for now, I can show you what is the secret key here. Okay, but it is not recommended for anybody to show the secret keys like this. Okay, so if you click on done, okay, you got this access key is created. Okay, so but it is not recommended to show or share this access key and secret key to anybody. Okay, so for the security purpose, I'm just deleting the access key, whatever I've created, right? So now I'm deactivating it. Okay, deactivate it, and then I'm going to copy this one and paste it over here and then deleting it. Right. So this is how you can create and you can just grant up access You can, if you can give that access key, secret key to your to the IAM user, and that particular user will be able to access your AWS infrastructure using AWS CLI. Okay, so this is how you'll be granting the permissions using access keys. Okay, so hope this video was really helpful for you to prepare an interview, right? So these kind of questions are really, really important. And if you go for an interview, and they may ask you a lot of security related questions, and please be prepared on these kind of questions. Okay, so now thank you so much for watching this video. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, stay tuned for the rest of the videos in the future. Thank you, guys.